Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. If you have any mathematical queries, doubt, please feel free to call on this number, or you can WhatsApp also, or you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Okay, so then you can join our doubt clearing sessions. You can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI CMI entrance tests and any other various examinations. Okay, so please feel free to contact us if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR in the year of 2024, and the question is in the MCQ section, and the question is telling us that if alpha and beta are two roots of the quadratic equation, which is x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0, then the value of alpha to the power 2022 plus beta to the power 2022 is what? This is a very easy question. Okay, so we can write x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1, that is equals to 0. Then we can write it as our x minus this. Okay, x cube minus 1 is equals to 0. So these two are the roots, the roots of the unity of third order. That means 1 omega and omega square. 1 is not given here, so our roots of x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0 is our omega and omega square. So now let us take our alpha be omega and our beta be omega square. Without loss of generality, we can pick that also. So after that, what will happen? So we can get alpha to the power 2022 plus beta to the power 2022 is equals to what? That is equals to omega to the power 2022 plus omega square to the power 2022. That means our this will be omega to the power 2022 plus that will be omega 4, sorry, omega to the power 4044. Okay, so as our omega and omega square both are roots of unity, so our omega cube is equals to 1 and our omega square cube, which is our omega to the power 6, that will also be 1. Okay, so let us check something. That means if this 2022 and 4044 is divisible by 3, then we can write it omega cube to the power something, so that will be 1 to the power something, so that will be 1. So we know that the sum of all digits of 2022 is equals to 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, so our 2022 will be divisible by 3. Okay, so and the same thing will happen for our 4044. Then we get 4 plus 0 plus 4 plus 4, so that will be 12, and that will be divisible by 3. We know that, so our 4044 will also be divisible by 3. So now let me calculate exact. Yeah, so that will be 6, then we will get 18 here, so 2 2 2. Yeah, then what we'll get, then 6, then we will get 18, no, there will be 7, 6 7, so we will get 22 here. Okay, there will be 12, so 4, then it will be 12. Yeah, and the same, and 3, when we divide our 4044 by 3, then we will get 674 into 2. That will be what? That will be 8, and that will be 4, 1348. So we can write this thing. That means our omega to the power 2022, that will be omega to the power omega cube to the power 674 plus that will be omega cube to the power 1348. So that will be 1 to the power 674 plus 1 to the power 1348. So that will be 1 plus 1 and our answer will be 2. Okay. So let me check the options first. The options are given as, yeah, they, our option A is -1, which is wrong. Option A is wrong, option B will be wrong, and option C will wrong, and our option D will be correct option of this question. Okay, hope you understood. Again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical doubts, queries, or anything, please feel free to contact us via these contact details. Then it will be beneficial for you. Okay, that means that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. If you need any help from us, please feel free to contact us. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.